It has arrived, but I want to tell y'all something first. Okay, I forgot to mention in my last video, when we went to Coach this weekend, that was another thing that rubbed me wrong. The manager, she came and told us, because I was getting my tag that I showed y'all stamped, but I've been trying to get it stamped since December. Okay, the store that's closest to me, their machine has been broke December, January, February. Okay, you're still in Houston. We're here. She comes to explain to us that, oh, we have a new policy. It started 2 days ago. Okay, what is it? Well, we can't sell extra tags. I have my tag right here. No, we can't sell extra tags though. And when you start buying items that have a hang tag on it, you have to get it stamped that day. Weird. Very weird, because what if I take the bag, go home, and I don't like it, but I didn't stamp it, now it's final sale? Coach, y'all with the bullshit. That what y'all with? You want to be on people next, making us buy all this and now you got to get your stuff stamped that day. Plus, if you buy extra tags, you have to get those stamped also. So you can buy, I think she said, up to 2 extra tags that day in store, but you have to get all the tags stamped. You can't buy extra tags and not get them stamped anymore. So no extra decor, no extra hanging, none of that. So I don't know. Check with y'all local Coach. This was the manager at the store that told us this. And I was just like, I just need, look, y'all machine work? She said, yeah. I said, well, I just need my tag stamped, finally. That's it. Even in New York, the machine wasn't working. But enough about Coach. Welcome back to Mrs. B Lux, L-I-F-E. I am Sarita. I forgot to tell y'all that, and it really bothered me, and it burned my gears to even think about it again. But I had to tell y'all. I understand. Well, look what we have. Oh, I'm still showing all the stuff. Okay, I didn't know they had a tag under there. I probably cut it out. But, bye y'all. Now, a lot of y'all say y'all know what it is. Let's see, shall we? Let's see. And I kept passing on this item. I could have got it. I said no. Once y'all know how I am, the CAs text me and I said, no, I don't want it. Then I start seeing my girls unboxing it. I do need that. I do. But I really do need this one because my husband uses the other one and my stuff wouldn't fit in it. So that might give y'all a hint. But, oh, they sent me a shopping bag. I didn't even ask for one. Well, I did mine with the online representative. So her name is Lynn, I think. Because my salesperson that is local now, she was out of town. She literally texted me 2 days after that. But she'll get some next time. But here we are. Trying to be fast. I hate being all long-winded, y'all. Get to the point. Get to the unboxing. That's what I'm here for. Here we are. Any guesses? Okay, I'm opening. Okay, calm down. Gotta leave this box tight. Put myself together. Okay, I'm back. Now I won't be too excited until I look inside. Let's see what it say. Yep, I can get excited. It said made in France. This the new little tag stuff. Cool. Well, that's how it looks. And that's what it is. And it's made in France. Y'all already know. Oh, what's her name? Dun dun dun. What is the song called? You already know. Yeah. There you go. Bam. Oh, I thought there was something falling out of there. Yes. Over the moon. Oh my goodness. Because I was seeing some people were saying about check the inside, like the zipper spot. This is awesome. This is like a slim mini pochette. That's what I'm seeing. baby. What's the song? Everybody get you some. Get you, yeah. That's the little kids, they like that. My little niece, yeah. Be like, girl, you better stop that. But that was me when I was, whatever. Yo, it is made in France. Made in France. Y'all see that? I can't, y'all. And I explain this to every client advisor when they're new to me. If it's not made in France, where the product is originated from, I really don't want it. And that's just my preference, okay? So either you find me something made in France, or I won't be buying anything today. Unless I really, really, really want it. But I probably ain't gonna buy nothing. Ah! Y'all, it has a card slide. Oh, the card slide comes out. What? Oh, y'all. Baby. Check, now y'all can see it. Y'all see that? Can y'all see it? Oh, I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. I hope, oh gosh. I don't have my bag down here. I wanted to see if it fits inside my bag. This, I guess, this the new little I'm real thing, I guess. I don't know. But that is so cute. Look at that. Oh gosh. My husband has the other pouch. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a video of I'll probably put a picture up tomorrow on the community poster page, whatever. But look at what? It's like a slim mini pochette for half the price. Cause isn't it what a mini pochette is like, what, $730 now? I wish I would. Yeah, like, no, I had mini pochettes in all canvases and sold them because I wasn't using them. I'm gonna use this though. Yep, I'm going to use it because my key doesn't fit into the pouch, so that's really why I wasn't using it. And my husband, his 5 fits, so this is gonna be perfect. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I didn't feel like going upstairs, so. But my aloe, it came too, but this is only one item, so I don't know if it's the pants or the jacket, so I'm not gonna unbox that till I have both boxes. The other one's supposed to come tomorrow. One was coming from New York, one was coming from Los Angeles, I think it said. So, let me see. I'm gonna take my stuff out of here. This is what I've had. This is what's in my bag. My, what is this? Lip Glow by Dior. My AirPods or receipts. A piece of gum, because there's a pocket back here, and then I have my cards back there. So let's see how this fits. Let me put that in there too. Let me see if it closes. If it zips, y'all. Hold on. Oh, that tag right there. Y'all just don't know how excited I am. What? Yes. Perfect. Okay. This is going on travels. Yes. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna do a what's in my bag and what all it fits in, which bags it fits in, I guess tomorrow. But I had to show y'all this because I was excited and I wanted to open it. And I didn't want to open it without y'all, so. Oh my gosh. Well, I can't get that song out of my head now. Oh, no. Yeah, I can't get it. Everybody get you some. Get you some. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, well, this is the first early birthday gift to myself. Yeah, I got this pre, y'all. Pre. Don't come on there. Coming. I know 40 days. This is pre. Been had it, so. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow me because it's free. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.